paradise with animals and nature. You can adopt an animal. Animals are our lovers. When you are an Atlantean and you behave well in this nature, in this world, animals become numerous, nature becomes proliferous, and you are really able to live this paradise with animals around you. It is possible to adopt any kind of animal. Just understand how dangerous they are, how long maybe it can be to adopt, and of course keep in mind that some animals are easier to adopt than others. But if it is well done, you can adopt an animal and the soul of the animal will associate with yours. They will become one. Because when the animal sees that you are going to feed him and take care of him, he will understand that its survival is totally in your hands, and he will become aware that you are going to provide him paradise. And at that moment, when you adopt an animal, you will live paradise. It is very important to understand that when we want to keep our nature as it is and keep it this in its development, nature in her evolution will be left like it is, and you will always also find that people will adopt animals, pets. In order to have those beautiful pets, please understand that pets, even if they don't have language, they love to associate, to fuse with humans' souls, because souls are natural. Our souls are like the ones of the animals. So now, if you want to really understand how to fuse, how to adopt an animal, you have to become aware that you always have to be kind, always use evolution and intuition, and the animal will be adopted at a certain point. In paradise, all those images, when you have an image of paradise, a film of heaven, you will always see men around animals in this heaven, in this Atlantis, which is heaven on earth, and you will be aware of all the natures of those different souls. We are also animals. The only difference we have with animals is that we can talk. We use language which allows us to have friendship, to build friendship. And animals, they can feel that, they can hear also us talking. Animals understand that we are intelligent. Thus, you have to be a channel. A channel you are when you are smart. So humans can be bigger channels than animals because we are smarter. Of course, we have a bigger responsibility afterwards. We have to be aware that men can do more harm than animals because we are smart. But we have to do as much good as possible and build this paradise. So being a channel will bring Atlantis on Earth, and you will see human beings adopting animals, having a very luxurious nature, numerous animals, and you will be happy, very free, in this paradise, all the colors, all this nature. Atlantis looks en la roca.